Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use DataFactory, database system developed by Infolink Consulting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system step by step, so let's get started. First, click the link that will direct you to the login page, then enter your username and password. Now, you can select your preferred language. After that, you can click on Supply Chain to enter our supply-demand database. Every time you log in, the latest updated time will display on the top of the screen. You can find the language switcher and refresh button on the top right corner of the screen. DataFactory provides statistics of production capacity and output in the PV supply chain, including the polysilicon, wafers, cell, and module segment. In this database, you can also find information about PV technologies and wafer size chains. And you can see on the top of the screen, there's an analysis node and latest update for you to view real-time industry information. To get specific information, you can apply filters on the top left of the screen to show the data you want and hide the rest. You can select the unit of time for the filter by seasons or by years. You can also filter a range of data by selecting the period time filter, or select one or several periods of time that you want to compare with. Additionally, you can choose capacity, production output, country, technology, and size for comparisons. Please note that the capacity here indicates annualized capacity. If you have a specific target in mind, just type the text in the search box. Selected items will be highlighted in orange so that you can easily get back to them. Use the orange boxes on the right to select a specific country or company so that data you want will be presented in the graphs as priority. This way, you can identify your target company easily when several filters are applied at the same time. You can display values by simply hovering your cursor over the chart. To show data of a single company, hover over the chart legend with your cursor. Click on Chart Legends to show the information you want and hide the rest. You can enable the Show Values option for comparisons. To get a clearer view, click on the full screen sign on the top right corner of each chart. You can get details of each segment by selecting item on the supply chain page. For example, click on Cell. Then you will see overall capacity and production output in the cell sector. The donut chart will present the total capacity of filter result and the last time point. You can see global distribution of capacity briefly on the proportional symbol map. And if you want to sort out or save the data selected, just click the download sign. Infolink Consulting links the value for you. Use DataFactory to support your decision with statistical science.